Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. For today's 10-minute core workout, all you'll need are 2 dumbbells. I am using 2-pound weights here. Let's get started in a high plank, tucking our toes under, lifting our hips up. In this high plank, we're going to grab 1 dumbbell underneath our wrist, pull it to the other side, and do the same to the other side. So you're passing your dumbbell from one side to the other, trying to move it towards the outside of your pinky underneath your wrist. Keep going for 25 more seconds. Trying not to wiggle our hips as we move the weights side to side. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We have a 10-second breather. In that 10 seconds, roll out your wrists, do what feels good, and let's meet in a tabletop position. Grab 1 dumbbell in your right hand. The left leg is going to reach behind you while the right arm reaches above you on the inhale. Exhale, bring your opposite elbow to knee. Again, inhale, reach away. Exhale, bring it in. Keep going for 30 more seconds. Really connect your belly button to spine as you reach out, so you're not arching your back. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We do the exact same exercise on the other side. Be sure to roll out your wrists. If this is too much on the wrists, you can do the same exercises on your elbows. Let's go ahead and get started with 1 weight in our left hand. Reach the right foot behind. Exhale, bring it in. Again, reach the opposite hand and foot. Exhale, bring it in. 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Next we have our dead bugs. So we're gonna lay on our back with both dumbbells in our hands. Make sure that your knees are over top of your hips and your wrists are above your shoulders. On the next inhale, lift your left arm above your head, reach your right foot down, bring it back in, and do the same to the other side. So you're reaching your opposite arm and opposite foot away, much like we did the last exercise, and you're switching sides with each breath. Keep going. Inhale on the way out, exhale on the way in, really keeping your lower back flat against the floor here. Almost there. You've got 15 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We start from the beginning. We do 40 seconds of the high plank, moving our weights from one side to the next. Let's go ahead and get started on our hands and our feet in 2 and 1. Let's go. 40 seconds on. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather before we go to our first side of bird dog. When we do this foundational movement, it's important to, again, not arch the back and squeeze the glute as you lift the leg, reaching the arm without arching the upper or lower back. Keep going for this strengthening exercise. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. You have a 10-second breather to switch sides. Roll out your wrists, do what feels good, and make sure that you're doing the opposite side that you just did. Let's go ahead and get started on the second side. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Let's go back onto our back for the next exercise, which is our dead bugs. We're going to keep our knees over top of our hips once again, hands above our shoulders, and as we inhale, we reach the right hand, left foot. Exhale, bring it all back in, contracting our core. Again, inhale, left hand, right foot. Exhale, bring it all in. Keep going, 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather. We're going to switch things up a little bit so you don't feel too bored. Let's go ahead and do some leg lowers next. Option to keep your hands flat on the floor or put them underneath your seat. As we lower the legs as low and as slow as we can, we're keeping our lower back flat on the floor and trying to move our belly button towards our spine so we're not flaring the lower abdominals. Again, always an option to put your hands underneath your seat. You have 25 more seconds. Keep going in your own pace. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We're going to stay on our back here. Place your hands behind your head and you're going to touch your toes together. Knees are open in a butterfly position, laying down. On the next exhale, bring your elbows to your knees, contract your core. Inhale, tap the toes down, lower the head. Again, exhale, bring the elbows to knees. Try to see if you can lift the seat a little bit. Inhale, tap the toes. Only lower the legs once again as low as they can go, keeping your back on the floor. Keep going for 20 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. For this next one, we're going to bring our right knee in towards our nose and extend the left leg as low as you can, keeping your core engaged and back flat. Option to lift the head and the neck, and then switch legs. As you switch legs, let's pulse for 1, 2. Switch again, 1, 2. Can you exhale as you switch the legs? Exhale, exhale, switch. Maybe we extend the legs for an extra challenge. Keep going for 20 seconds in whichever variation you've taken of this exercise. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we only have one more exercise to go in this 10-minute ab workout. Let's go ahead and get onto our plank position, and we're going to go onto our elbows, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up. We tap the knees down and up for 40 seconds. That is it. And after that, we are done. Keep going 35 seconds in this low plank. We tap the knees down and up, and again down and up. Keep going. We finish in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we made it. Go ahead and lower your hips down, open the shoulders, stretch out your core, maybe press up into a full cobra, sit back into a child's pose, and finally, you are done. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you want to see another workout like this, please let me know. I'm taking recommendations and requests. So have a great rest of your day, stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.